In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Narrator keyboard shortcut on your Windows 10 computer. So I have made a tutorial in the past about how to disable the Narrator feature, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Narrator keyboard shortcut instead. So we're going to be going into the registry here, so it should be pretty straightforward, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you're going to start by left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to go ahead and just type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back a regedit. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now we're going to just back out of this stuff. This is from a previous video, and let's say you wanted to make a backup of your registry before you did any modifications. Very simple to do. All you have to do is just go up, left click on the file tab, left click on export, and then you just would save it as whatever the name you want. Save it to a location like your desktop. Want to make sure export range is selected at all, and then just go ahead and save it. It will take a couple minutes to run the backup more than likely, and if you've made a mistake or something, you just do file and then import, and that'll restore your registry back to its original state before following anything in this tutorial. This tutorial shouldn't actually create any issues. I mean, we're going in this video looking to help. This video is not very complicated and really shouldn't create any issues, but it's always good just as a precaution. So anyway, we want to go ahead and expand the HKey current user folder. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the subfolders. Now you want to go ahead and expand the software folder. Now you want to do the same thing for Microsoft, so expand Microsoft here. Now you want to go down to Narrator, expand that one as well. And now just left click on the No Roam folder. So on the right side here, underneath the No Roam folder, you want to go ahead and right click inside the blank space, left click on New, and then select DWord, and then in parentheses 32-bit value. Left click on that, and then you want to name this value Win, so W-I-N, enter, launch, enabled. Exactly, it appears on my screen, so you can see the capital letter W-E-L-N-E, so Win, enter, launch, enabled. Then you want to hit enter. Once you have it in here, you want to go ahead and double click on it. Set the value data to 1, so just type the number 1 on your keyboard just to get it in this field. Don't spell out 1, just type the number 1. And then make sure base is set to hexadecimal, and then left click on OK. Once you're done with that, you should close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that has addressed your issue and the Narrator keyboard shortcut should be disabled. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.